Welcome. This is how to share contact list in Outlook. So, first thing, of course, just simply go to Outlook software. And now, once you are here, guys, you could just simply go ahead and select the contact over here on the left side of the screen. Now, over here, you should be able to see all of your contacts. So now, in order for you to select multiple contacts, just simply tap on your keyboard Control, and of course, just simply select as many as you can. So I have these two contacts over here that I want to share. We just simply right click on it, or you should be able to go for forward, and you should be able to have the contact over here, and just simply provide the email of the person that you want to send it to, and provide the subject and everything. And from here, once you are done, you should be able to select send, and you should be able to share your contact list with someone, and that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and guys, if you have any questions, comment down below, and thanks for watching.